Google's quantum AI just discovered a new state of matter, and it changes everything. Something extraordinary just happened. Google's new quantum chip, called Willow, has done the impossible. It's not just a faster processor or a better computer, it just unlocked a completely new state of matter. This isn't science fiction, this is physics bending in real time. And this discovery could change how we understand the universe itself, and maybe even give new weight to the multiverse theory. But that's not all. At the same time, Albania has appointed an AI chatbot as a government minister. China claims to have built an AI model 100 times faster than ChatGPT, and the US is forcing AI giants like OpenAI and Google to hand over their secret models for safety testing. The world is shifting fast on quantum computing, AI politics, and digital governance are colliding into one future-defining moment. So let's break it all down, starting with the quantum breakthrough that could rewrite physics forever. Google's Willow quantum chip, unlocking a new state of matter. For decades, matter came in just a few forms: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. But now, thanks to Google's Willow quantum processor, scientists have discovered something entirely new: Floquet topologically ordered state. In simple terms, it's a phase of matter that only exists when constantly disturbed. A kind of rhythm-based quantum symphony that collapses if it stops moving. Working with Princeton and the Technical University of Munich, Google's team created and visualized this strange behavior using a quantum interferometric algorithm, like a microscope that maps how qubits interfere and evolve. Through it, they watched particles transform into exotic forms once thought to exist only on paper. This isn't just theory, it's proof that quantum processors can now simulate new states of reality. Willow didn't just compute, it created a new world inside its circuits. Why this changes everything? Quantum processors like Willow aren't just faster, they explore possibility itself. By manipulating qubits, they can simulate countless versions of reality at once. In 2023, Willow performed a calculation in under 5 minutes that would have taken the world's best supercomputers billions of years, sparking renewed talk of the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. While this doesn't prove the multiverse, it shows that quantum computers can reach realms beyond classical physics. By recreating unstable states of matter, scientists can explore energy, communication, and material systems previously deemed impossible. Quantum processors have officially evolved from number crunchers into laboratories for the laws of the universe. Albania appoints an AI minister, the first digital cabinet member. In a world first, Albania has appointed an AI chatbot named Diela as a government minister. Built on OpenAI's language model and Microsoft's Azure cloud, Diela began as a simple digital assistant, helping citizens navigate government forms. Now she's been promoted to Minister of Public Procurement, tasked with one goal: fighting corruption. Albania, long plagued by corruption scandals, decided to hand the job to AI. Diela analyzes all public tenders and contracts, flagging suspicious transactions linked to crime or money laundering. If she detects something wrong, she can block it instantly. No bribes, no bias, no days off. Prime Minister Edi Rama called her the first minister who isn't physically present, but virtually created by AI. It's a bold experiment, a country testing whether machines can do what humans haven't. Her digital avatar, dressed in traditional Albanian clothing, symbolizes national pride fused with technology. But it also raises a question: if AI can run a ministry, how long before it runs a nation? China's spiking brain, AI, 100 times faster than ChatGPT. Meanwhile, in China, scientists claim to have built an AI model up to 100 times faster than ChatGPT. It's called Spiking Brain 1.0, the first AI designed to mimic the human brain's firing neurons. Unlike traditional models that process every word at once, Spiking Brain only activates relevant neurons, using context to focus selectively, just like a real brain. The result? Between 25 times and 100 times faster responses, while using less than 2% of the training data required by ChatGPT. And here's the twist: it doesn't rely on NVIDIA GPUs. It runs on chips made by China's Meta X, giving the country technological independence amid US chip restrictions. If these results hold up under testing, this could reshape global AI development: faster models, lower costs, and dramatically reduced energy use. Whether hype or breakthrough, one thing's clear: the AI arms race just shifted gears. The US strikes back. AI oversight begins While China accelerates, the US is tightening control. For the first time, major AI companies, OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google DeepMind, have agreed to government testing before releasing new models. The US Artificial Intelligence Safety Institute now has access to these models pre-release for safety evaluations and continued monitoring afterward. Working alongside the UK's AI Safety Institute, the goal is to set a global standard for AI oversight. Meanwhile, California passed Senate Bill 1047, requiring large-scale AI systems to include built-in kill switches and undergo independent audits, with penalties for violations. The message is clear. The move fast and break things era in AI is over. Governments are stepping in, and even the biggest tech giants now have to prove they can control what they're creating. What this all means: the convergence of quantum and AI. Step back for a second and look at the bigger picture. In just the last few years, we've seen I go from language models to autonomous reasoning agents, while quantum computing has gone from theory to tangible breakthroughs. Now the two are starting to converge. Quantum processors like Willow can simulate entire neural systems, while AI models can help design and optimize quantum algorithms. Together, they're forming a feedback loop: AI designing better quantum computers, and quantum computers supercharging AI. That's how you get things like spiking brain-like networks that mimic biology, and quantum labs creating matter that's never existed before. This isn't just innovation. This is the fusion of digital intelligence with physical reality, and it's happening faster than anyone expected. The multiverse question: are we seeing reality split? Every time quantum mechanics evolves, we get closer to a philosophical wall. What exactly is reality? When Google's Willow creates a state of matter that only exists under rhythmic disturbance, that technically shouldn't exist in our normal universe, physicists can't help but ask, is it creating a small temporary branch of another reality? The many worlds interpretation says every quantum interaction, every particle that chooses one state over another, creates a new universe where it chose differently. So when quantum computers like Willow start exploring these strange in-between states of matter, some argue they're not just observing physics, they're creating new instances of it. Of course, that's not proven, but even Einstein himself once said, reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. With Google's new discovery, that illusion just got thinner. The coming quantum AI revolution. We're now entering a phase where quantum chips, brain-inspired AI, and government regulation are colliding into one unstoppable transformation. In the next decade, quantum processors could replace supercomputers, running simulations that predict molecular reactions, drug designs, and climate patterns with perfect precision. AI will govern, diagnose, design, and decide, embedded not just in our tools, but in our institutions. The Willow experiment isn't just about physics. It's a sign that technology is now powerful enough to manipulate the fundamental building blocks of existence. We're witnessing the start of a technological Cambrian explosion, one where intelligence, matter, and energy merge into a single networked ecosystem. And in that ecosystem, the lines between science and science fiction are gone. The future is already here. What does this all mean? It means we're standing on the edge of a new reality. Google's quantum chip is rewriting physics. ARI chatbots are becoming world leaders. China's brain-inspired models are challenging global power. And the US is tightening control over the intelligence it helped create. Quantum matter, artificial minds, digital governance. It's all converging into one truth. The machines we built to serve us are now starting to discover new realities on their own. This isn't the end of science. It's the beginning of post-human discovery. If this story blew your mind, hit that like button, drop a comment below on which part of this future excites or terrifies you the most, and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies reshaping our world. Because the future isn't coming someday, it's already here.